Hi everyone, time for a Dollar Tree haul. So this is gonna be a little bit long, but stick with me because there are so many goodies. From springtime to makeup to personal and household. So much that I have some reviews, I have some first impressions. There's so much to see. So let's get into it. Let's start with springtime. So I got these little Garden Collection solar stake lights, Flame Glow. I got 8 of them. I want to put them outside. When you get them, you have to remove this little tab. And then look at that glow. It's so pretty. So it doesn't give off a ton of light, but I have a very good lighting system out front. So I just kind of wanted something around the area coming up to my house. You know, just the pathway. Just to give that a little bit of illumination and a little bit of like nice glow. I think that's gonna be so nice. I also picked up a couple of these solar spotlights. I thought maybe I could spotlight my house just slightly. Again, you have to just pull the little thing and look at that. I think that's gonna be nice. And it does swivel. It stays where you place it. I think it's a really nice item for $1.50. Really cool. The next thing that I did pick up were some more of these fashion glasses. I got the purple rimmed ones and these black rimmed ones. They're really cute. The sides are cute. When I have my contacts on, I do have to wear readers. And I needed new ones because my readers I had were +125 and now I'm like +127. So I had to get these, but really nice. I think they look cute. I think that $1.50 is well worth the price for the glasses. So the next thing that I did pick up this is a restock. Someone asked me about the 5 versus the 6 blade. I like the 5 blade better than the 6 blade, and it is because it has this little like soap, you know, like tab on it. It's a little bit bigger. And I find that the lubrication on the head helps me, you know, not get so irritated and have razor burn. So I do recommend these. When you see them, get a few. I picked up like 5 of these. I'm not usually that person. I want to leave things for other people, but especially the things that are hard to find. But I did actually stock up on this one. Another restock are these. These are the dupes for Scrub Daddy. So these are Scrub Buddies multi-purpose sponge, and they're the same material as the Scrub Daddy. They do not have the eyes and the mouth. So many people like that so that they can like kind of get into grooves or, you know, put spoons in there really. But I find that if you make this soft with warmer water, you can get everything up. I find that these last me about 2 weeks, which is about the time that you have to replace them because sponges only really should be used for 2 weeks, or else you get a lot of, you know, bacterial overgrowth in the sponge. You can put these in the top rack dishwasher. They clean up really nicely. I love them, and that is a restock. I did buy 1 more of these magnetic holders. I am going to put laundry sheets, like the detergent sheets in here. I get them from Dollar Tree. I do really like them. I think they perform really well. And so I have 1 for dryer sheets and 1 for laundry sheets on the side of my dryer because this is magnetic. It's wonderful. So I did pick up a second one of those. Okay, on to a little bit of skincare. I want to tell you this is the first time I've been trying this. I don't know what took me so long. It's Dermacell and I love Dermacell. This is probably one of the best lotions I've ever tried in my life. It does have glycerin, it does have dimethicone, it does have sunflower seed oil. It says skin lipid and EFA treatment on the front. And I just have to tell you, like, it's completely fragrance free. There's, you know, all of like paraben free, dye free, fragrance free. It is like one of the thickest formulas you're gonna find at the Dollar Tree. It absorbs really well. And my skin has been so dry that I am spraying that, Renew spray, or what is it called? Revive. That Revive spray first, putting this on second, And then if I'm really dry, putting some Vaseline petrolatum on top. And I'm not dry any longer. It is so good. So I also got this eczema relief body lotion. I didn't want to get it because of the chamomile flower in it. But that is pretty low on the list of ingredients. I get a stomach ache with chamomile tea. So I kind of felt like, see, look how it just like absorbs so good. I kind of felt like maybe I'd get a reaction. I do not. Again, this is a thick formula. Look at how it's like so thick. It absorbs really well. It does have the colloidal oatmeal, which is so good for your skin, and it's so good for hydration. And it doesn't feel sticky. It feels soft. There's no scent to it other than like, you know, the ingredients. There's like kind of a, I don't know what to call it, like a very slight scent of maybe some of the oils that are in here. Okay, talking about extreme renewal creams, there's this extra care. This is gonna be a first impression for me. I will tell you, it is somewhat thick. I don't know that it is as nice as the Dermasil because it's a little thinner than the Dermasil. However, it is very moisturizing. I put it on just a few minutes before I started filming, and it performs in a similar manner. So let's see what it says on here. It's colloidal oatmeal's in here. And there is glycerin, dimethicone, and the colloidal oatmeal. Oh, there is fragrance. Oh no, it's not I don't smell anything though, but it's not fragrance free. It says fragrance. So I don't know that I like this more than I like this. I think this is better. Also, you're getting 6 ounces here and you're getting 6 ounces here, so it's the same amount. I think I just like the Dermasil a little bit better, but this is not a bad product, especially for Dollar Tree, you know, skincare. Very, very dry skin, that stuff is really good. $1.25 is my price point because I just can't see spending a whole lot more. Okay, into a little bit of Valentine's. I did find the I Love You Cherry Much. I got 2 of them for my kitchen. I have a double oven, so I want to put one on each oven, and for Valentine's Day, I'm gonna put it on today. Can't wait. I also got this. I think I'm gonna get some flowers for my daughter and just put this in, you know, put it in here. So pretty. I really love these bouquet holders, adorable. Okay, so on to some toys, some really cool things. They had butter clouds at the Dollar Tree. This is so cool. Do I have one open? No, I'm not gonna open it for you because this is for my niece, and then I got some for my nephews as well for their Easter baskets. But it is like buttery soft. It is so much fun for the kids to play with. My kids used to love butter clouds, and I spent, I don't know, $5, $6 maybe. Back in the day when my kids were little, they loved that stuff. Okay, there were some more toys. Boy, it was like the toy day. They had these pour and paint kits. So it comes with the little characters on back. So when you open it, you're kind of, you know, mixing the compound, and then you're gonna put it in the molds. When the mold dries, you can then paint it. I think the kids in my family are gonna really enjoy this. So I got 3 of those for the older children who are not little babies anymore. And then I also got these. These look really fun. They are little characters that the kids can, there's like markers in here, but they can use the regular markers too, because I can't imagine that just 3 markers is gonna like cover this whole thing. But anyway, they can just color these. So cute. So, you know, got 1 Moana, 1 Stitch, and then for the boy, I got a Minecraft. Really fun ideas at the Dollar Tree for, you know, for toys for kids and for like, you know, your baskets. I also got one of the mess-free coloring pages. You get 3 markers and I think 3 pages? No, 1, 2. So you get 8 pages. So that's nice. That's really nice. So this one is princesses. There were several different ones at the Dollar Tree to choose from, and they're really very cute for I think these were $1.75. The larger ones were $5, but this one was $1.75. I also am late to the party. I just got this detangler brush. This is a dupe, the wet brush. I think that's what it's called. So I'm like, I don't have a brush currently, I'm using a comb. But the other day I was straightening my hair and I realized I didn't even have a brush, like a paddle brush to use to straighten it. So I got one of these. I hear that they're really good. So far, I think it's doing nicely on my hair right now. Yeah, I think I'm really gonna enjoy this. I didn't get like a lot of strands, just a couple, but you know, not a lot of hair fallouts. Okay, so I found the new makeup mirrors at the Dollar Tree and I wanted to just kind of compare it. Oh, I don't have batteries in here. I'm silly. Let me go get a battery, but I wanted to compare it to my old one because this one can be so blinding. I usually use it on the second setting, which I find fine, you know, and it's a very nice little mirror to take with you. And I really love that it has this little kickstand, you know, and so do the ones that they have taken, you know, that they have brought back out. But I was listening to someone review these and she was indicating she thought that the light might not be as blinding. So let's go get a battery. I'll be right back. Let's see. Okay, I'm back. I put batteries in. You can't see on camera, I don't think. But this is definitely, the light is better on the newer one than the older one. Like this is still blinding when I hold it close and it is not blinding when I hold this one close. When I turn this down, I think it's about the same as far as the light. Yes, I think so. I think the highest is about the second setting on the old one. So if you felt like the old one was very blinding, go ahead and get the new ones. I think you might like them. I also picked up this dual-sided compact mirror by Skintimate. It is one magnification and 3x magnification, so 3 times. So let's see, this is nice for your purse or for travel. I'm like, ooh, yes, 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 I love it. That is really nice. A very nice find at the Dollar Tree, really good quality for $1.25. I finally found them. I know I'm late to the party. This is a vanilla scented one. I don't need any more lip balms. Like I have so many and I'm kind of addicted to lip balm, but everyone has said that these are so good. I had to just try it out. So let's just see what I think. So it's kind of like your old EOS type of balm. Oh yeah, it's really soft. That's nice. I can see why people liked it. I think it smells good. Definitely a vanilla scent. Almost like a cake scent, I want to say, like a vanilla cake scent. That's really nice. So I have stuff on my lips today, but I'm gonna try it on my lips very soon. It does have coconut oil in it. It does have mineral oil. There are some nice waxes in here. So it should be a pretty nice little balm, you know, just to kind of moisturize your lips, you know, when you need it. Very cute for like your purse. Adorable. Okay, I also got this folding pruning saw. It was $5 at my Dollar Tree. I need a new one. My old saw is really rusted out. Okay, so it's got a little like thing down here so that, you know, for safety, and then you pull it up. All right, that's pretty nice. I'm gonna let you guys know how it works because it does feel lighter than my saw that I have. The saw that I have doesn't actually fold, so I like that it folds for safety reasons. So, you know, that is really a nice find. I hope that it's gonna perform really well. I found this Jolly Rancher candle, and I got a candle warmer recently, and I can't wait to put this under the candle warmer. It does smell just like Jolly Ranchers. It's really cool, and there's like nothing on it. It's just a glass candle. So it's like really cute. So if you find them for $1.50, they're really cute. They do have a very nice scent. I'll let you guys know what the throw is like once I put it under the candle warmer. This was the first time I saw this at my Dollar Tree. It's a clothesline. A really nice looking clothesline, really good quality for $1.50. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it in my laundry room because I do hang some things, and right now I don't have a really good system. So, you know, you could put this in your shower, your bathtub, whatever you need to. And the way that you place these is just to push on these little balls, and you can place these wherever you like, and it will hold it in place. So it's really kind of very nice. It's a very good quality. It is stretchy. You can take it outside and use it in the spring and summertime. So I wanted to show you guys that for $1.50. So I hope you liked this haul. If you liked it, please give a like. Please consider subscribing and turn on your bell notifications so that you are notified whenever I have a new Dollar Tree video. And if you like this, I'm sure you're gonna like the next suggested video. Until next time, take care.